Today we will see the most powerful engine in the world. RT Flex 96C is the world's largest and most powerful diesel engine, manufactured by Wärtsilä, Finland. The engine produces 108,920 horsepower, which is sufficient to power an entire suburban town. The engine consumes 250 tons of fuel every day to sail the ship. The engine is 44 feet high, 90 feet long and has 2,300 tons of weight, which is similar to 380 full-grown elephants. Each engine piston has a weight of 5.5 tons, a height of 20 feet, and its crankshaft weighs 300 tons. There are 14 pistons producing 108,920 brake horsepower, which is sufficient to power 500 SUVs. Every cylinder devours 6.5 ounces of diesel in one cycle and generates 5,700 kilowatts. The Common Rail technology supplies maximum power at lower RPM, which saves on fuel consumption and lowers harmful emissions. The engine is assembled in the Emma Maersk cargo ship and carries 11,000 TEU or 20 feet equivalent units at a speed of 31 knots. There are more than 300 RT Flex 96C engines in service or on order worldwide. There is a waste heat recovery plant in the engine, which generates electrical power that is around 12% of the engine's total power output. This is the only technology available today which both reduces the fuel consumption and lowers the emissions. You may be surprised to know that the engine price is around $27 million. Have you ever seen any powerful engines like this before? Comment below. I hope you like this information. For more interesting videos, follow and subscribe now. Make sure to share it. Stay connected, be updated.